Okay, I'm simulating your groundwater and dirt, which is basically California soil with some clays and other dirts. It's probably a lot wetter than what you have, but I thought I'd use this, put it in a filter here, show you that obviously this would not pass the paint filter test. Okay, so let's take this groundwater, saturated mud, dirt, and pour it into a bin. This is my simulated bin here. Let's fill it almost to the top to recreate a bin that's full. Now I'm trying to mark it, but I can't find a place to mark it. Doesn't matter. Basically, it's almost filled to the brim. I want to show you that you're going to receive or fill one container, and one container is going to go out rather than two or three with added bulk from sawdust or calcimite or anything else. You're going to use 1% or less in some cases of our product by weight. And see how quickly this reacts. It solidifies very, very quickly. It does not add any bulk whatsoever, maybe a hair. And you're going to see how solid this becomes. And I obviously used way too much here. I always do. But I wanted to show you how it works. And basically, in a few seconds, that is solid. This product has a super strong wicking action, and it'll pull the water from inches and feet away. Let's try it in the paint filter test. All right, so I'm going to take this. You can see the white specks in there that have not been absorbed, so there's way too much, like I said. There's a little bit of wet there, just mix it back in. It just wasn't fully agitated. And you can see that this clearly passes the paint filter test by a long shot in this case. You won't want to go that far because you want to use as little as possible. Then I thought, what if you were to fill it into a container that had no solid walls? It wouldn't even matter. It is so dry that it's not going to go through a graded walled container. Imagine this being a rail car or anything. It doesn't really matter what you've got. You don't need container or any kind of plastic or anything else. It's going to make it, and it will remain contained. Now this is what we had originally. Starting out super wet, and I thought, what if you put it in the container that way? Obviously, it won't work. So basically, you end up with this, and that's what's in the container, super dry.